You always gotta clean your meat. Beef stew about to be on the menu. Oh yeah, seasoned up. Then you get it all mixed up in there. Make sure your beef get all the good seasonings and things like that.
Gotta rock the gloves.
Got to keep the gloves in the plate.
You can have your free hand.
Yeah, get meat
You
all
have your
over.
free hand, so you can use the seasoning in the other hand
Yeah.
for the mixing with the.
And you know us. Don't skip the flip.
Yes, Lord. And the onion powder. And I forgot to get bouillon cubes. But I don't really like using that much because it's just more seasoning. And I actually don't know what all you put in that.
Yeah.
So I
just
put my own stuff.
Yeah, just kind of make you a seasoning that
Salt free or something.
you know what you like.
Mrs. Dash or something.
Something like that. But this is the Miller's way.
Yes, Lord. Excuse me, y'all gotta. Excuse me.
Oh, bless that baby.
All the seasonings. And I love them when I'm crazy.
Bless that baby.
Because it makes me sneeze because of my allergies, so can't help it. But I covered my mouth. Sneezed in my shirt. I thought I felt someone fly out. I'm like, they're already going fight.
Yeah.
Always fighting me. So I'm about to put them in the pot so it start boiling. And then I'll add in my vegetables.
Look how seasoned that meat is.
Let that cook for about 2 hours.
Yes, Lord.
And it's gonna be fire, and I ain't making no cornbread with it this time. Just plain old beef stew.
More of the video to come. Oh, she done put an onion there.
Oh yeah.
Now that's gonna be fire. The beef just down there and they're like, cook me. Boy, swimming.
And we got desserts. I'm so great.
And dessert finna be fire.
Damn. Fire.
The brew is brewing. They kind of look crazy for real. He's still doing his thing. Ooh, look at that beef swimming. Go, beef, go.
There. I put 2, 3.
3 bay leaves.
Some thyme.
Oh, it's coming together.
A little beef base.
I see that stain. Don't mind me. I just love it.
Yeah, you do. You love it. Fire.
Fire. Didn't you have something else you was gonna add in there?
Nope.
Oh, that's later.
Yeah, I could have my little base.
big into the leaves and healthy stuff. Try to be anyway.
That's my little beef base. Whoa. Every day be happening. Put some water.
Well, we authentically us.
Yes, Lord.
TMF. Nice.
Garlic in here.
Stir it up.
See the little the brown base coming in.
Man, I wish I could push the button so y'all could smell it.
Man,
Oh, it smells so good.
yummy for the tummy. You don't need that much of that garlic, boy. Your nose be wide open.
Yeah.
Smelling everything.
But
Everything.
this is the weather that you get ready to make these. So
Yeah.
a little tutorial just how we do it.
Yes, Lord. Now I'm gonna add my vegetables.
Veggie time.
Veggie time.
Oh yeah. Become friends. They meeting each other.
Put my little tomato paste. Oh yeah, watch that change colors.
Oh,
Oh Lord.
it's finna build into something magnificent.
Yes, Lord. Okay, come on with the color, y'all.
Oh, it's there.
Here we go.
Oh, it's blending.
Yes, Lord.
Mm.
The bay leaves just give it a little more flavor. You don't eat those. It's just for flavors and looks.
Yeah. It looks really good. And it's gonna be soft enough you can eat it. Some people do. But that is not the Miller's
We don't
way.
eat the leaves, Flair. We don't eat the leaves. They're so beautiful. I tell you can't eat, but I don't.
Yeah.
Fire.
Oh my goodness. Fire.
That's what we do. We eat good over here.
Something warm that's gonna be yummy for the tummy.
Yummy for the tummy. Is that what we tell the kids, y'all?
Yeah.
Yummy for the tummy.
Uh-oh. To the max. Y'all already know. At this point, you already know. Perfectly flipped. Huh. We're a family that never skips the flip. Look at that. Amazing. Just as important as the flip is the wipe down. Yes, Lord.
You gotta clean up your mess and turn that down. And now you let it go on here to simmer.
Oh, I'd already start hooking it up.
Gotta clean up your mess, cause it gets messy.
Yeah, it do. It's all up there. Look at that.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna get that. Don't trip. 'Cause I don't like mess. There we go, y'all. Back pretty.
Look at that.
Turn that down, son.
Swimming with it. You guys gonna enjoy that swim. You know what I say? Fire! It's almost done.
Look at that beet. Potatoes, peas, corn.
There go my stave again. Let you know that's cooking.
Carrots. Fire.
For the soul.
Yes, Lord.